Welcome to the Security Tech channel. And of course, in this Security Alert channel, we always talk about some of the latest security scams and problems that could affect users. Well, one of them, if you're an Android user, several apps have shown up, and there are thousands and thousands of users that got lured into this. Be very careful. There are apps that have been stealing your Facebook credentials. One of them is Netflix coupons. If you see something called Netflix coupons, AdSense coupons, anything that is trying to lure you into having some rebate of some sort, it is an app, so you have to download it. Unfortunately, they have gone through some of the Google Play Store. Hopefully, a lot of them are removed now, but if you've been actually if you've seen some of those and have used some of those, I would recommend that you change your password in Facebook, because what happens is that a lot of the apps, what they do, they ask you to use your Facebook credentials to actually log in and give you what seems to be freebies, like Netflix coupons, for example, or access and so on. In reality, what they do is they just log in all the information they need to get access to your account. And from there, they actually can take control of your account. A lot of the accounts have been hacked and hijacked because of this security problem. So anything that you might have installed, clicked on in the last couple of months that have to do with, anything, coupons, anything, it looks real, it looks with big companies that are official, like Netflix. These are actually just apps that stole your credentials. If you did, just change the password. By changing the password, the access won't be available anymore. And don't forget, in Facebook, always turn on two-factor authentication to make sure that you stay as safe as possible and nobody can log in from another computer than yours, or tablet or phone. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.